Hi, I'm Terri Berry, and this is video 3 for my compromised skin case study. This video is a treatment demonstration video. I began with a double cleanse with a gel cleanser using controlled emulsification and light pressure to reduce mechanical stimulation while removing sebum, debris, and occlusive residue. I then performed a skin analysis under magnification using both visual and tactile assessments, evaluating diffuse erythema distribution, vascular reactivity, congestion, and surface dehydration. My endpoint is calming without provoking heat or friction. Then I performed an oxygen RX treatment, maintaining conservative contact time and continuing tolerance monitoring to reduce the appearance of congestion and reactive erythema while supporting oxygenation. I then moved to red LED therapy. It was used to support inflammatory modulation and microvascular stability with a non-thermal low irritation approach. I then custom mixed a gel and booster serum mask. Booster serum contains a high concentration of secretome. Secretome is the complete communication cocktail that living cells release into their surrounding environment to communicate with other cells. While the mask was on my model skin, I used cooling globes to aid with lessening inflammation and reducing erythema. I finished up the treatment with a barrier supportive sequence of moisturizing mist, recovery serum, eye serum, and barrier renewal cream to reinforce hydration and to reduce transepidermal water loss risk. Then I applied an SPF 45 for sun protection. Thank you so much and have a great day.